What do you want?
Rap. Round 3, dog.
Yeah, we're back for another remix. We're worse than P. Diddy.
Remix. Take this away. Come on.
Yeah, copy the word.
Okay, make it one. Shampoo.
Hey yo, shampoo. Hey yo, I got a tool. Hey yo, I like to do. Yo, my friend's dancing in the back.
I know it too well.
Yeah, in the pants, and then we smelled your hair like that. And that was pretty good. Okay, so Robin, then we're throwing character. I'm gonna knock off the beat. What the fuck? Oh yo, I love the remix, I like the song. Oh man, I think you're wearing a thong.
I am wearing a thong. You want to see?
There you go.
Okay. Let me take it away. I'm gonna cut you, not me. Me, not you. I'll figure it out. I'm still in the tutoring program. I haven't quite figured it out.
Yeah,
Come on, here we go. Yo, I go to school. I work at Killarine. Then I go and play.
Oh man, hey yo, the sign I rap, you better stop. But my name is Joe, and I said what the duck. Yeah, yo.
And the goose quack, quack, quack.
Yo, shut up like that. I'm trying to freestyle over here.
Yep.
I want to lay down and give you fear. Because if you don't fear me, I'll kill you and then I'll kill you again.
Twice that's killing you.
Here's how I know you're dead. Yo, here, take it.
Okay, let me give it another try. Throw me out a gnarly word.
Lima beans.
Okay. The other day at dinner, I was eating spaghetti. Lima beans. I know that was hot. That was awful.
What's that word, guys? Bones. I go, slogan bones. I go, molding bones. I go, golden bones. I got the bio home.
Okay. We'll be back. No. Keep on.
Round 3. Eat.